Hello friends, in this tutorial we are going to design and assemble motor blower in SolidWorks. So let's start. So this is the first part of motor blower assembly. Here's the upper housing. Now select front plane, sketch, normal and draw a circle here and give the diameter to it of 12 and select a line and draw a horizontal line here. And the dimension of this line must be 15. Now select this point and this line, make a relation midpoint. Now trim this half circle, select again line and draw a geometry like this, and here a center line. Select this line and mirror entities and mirror about this center line. Again trim this face, this line and this line. Choose smart dimensions and this must be 0.40. Now go to feature and extruded boss. Here select mid plane and extrude it up to 8. OK. Here you can see. Now select this face, go to sketch, Ctrl 8 for normal and here draw a circle. Choose smart dimensions and diameter is 11.75. No, the dimension should be 4.875 into 2. OK. Now go to the features and here extruded cut. And extrude cut it up to 7.75. Because we need a thickness of 0.25 here. Now select front plane, go to sketch, Ctrl 8 for normal and now select a circle and draw a circle. Make sure the center point and this line should be coincide and circle diameter should be 20. Now select this circle and this line, this curved line and make a relation tangent. Now again select a line, draw a line here, horizontal line, and the dimensions from this point to this line should be 6.15 and make this line as construction line. Now select another line, draw a horizontal line here and select this line and this circle, make a relationship tangent. Choose trim this line, this Ctrl Z, select a line and draw a horizontal line too and make it to construction line, and now trim this and this curved line. OK, you can see our profile has been created. Now we need to generate a plane here to construct another profile. So go to features, select reference geometry, first exit, go to the reference geometry plane and select this line as a reference, and second reference select this point, line and point. OK, you can see plane has been generated. Now select this plane, go to sketch, Ctrl 8 for normal, and now draw a center point rectangle. Make sure the center point rectangle point is coincide with the midline. Draw a rectangle here and choose smart dimensions, and this dimension is 5.75. This must be 4.20. Also make a relation, select this line and this point, select this point and make relation coincide. Ctrl 8. Now select smart dimension. This should be 5.80. No need to define, because this line from here to here is distance is 10. Now the geometry is fully defined. Now we are going to flit. Choose flit here, choose this line and this line, and flit should be 1.5. This one, this one, this one and this one. Flit should be of 1.5 radius. Okay, you can see. Now okay, go to the exit, here feature, and select sweep boss. Profile has been selected automatically, and now select the path. You can easily select path here, or you can select from the tree. You can see geometry and the sweep has been generated. Okay, you can see. Now select this plane again, go to sketch, Ctrl 8 for normal, select this face, go convert entities, and here select offset, and here offset should be of 0.25 in reverse direction. Okay, you can see. Now you can delete this line because we need this in one sketch. We don't need another extra lines in this sketch. Here you can see. Now go to exit, and here select sweep cut, choose profile, and here choose path, and the path is this sketch number 3. Okay, you can see it has been hollow. Now select this plane and go to the reference geometry and draw a plane in the flip offset with the 5.75. Okay, now select this plane, sketch, Ctrl 8 for normal, draw here a corner rectangle like this, choose smart dimensions. This must be 5.75 and this must be 7.75, and this point and this point should be vertical. Now choose smart dimensions and change this dimension. It should be 5.25 and this must be 7.25, and select this line and make a relation collinear. Now select flit of 1.5, this, okay, this and this. Yes, you can see. Now okay, go to the exit sketch, here select sweep boss. First profile has been selected. Now select second and sketch second is our sketch number 6. Okay. No, just select lofted boss base and select here sketch 10 and sketch 6. You can see lofted has been generated. Okay. Now select this face, go to sketch, Control 8 for normal, and select this face and choose convert entities. Go to the offset, select this here, the reverse direction 0.25. Okay. Now delete these lines, we don't need these. Now exit sketch, here go to the lofted cut, sketch 11 has been selected. Now select here sketch number 6. Okay. And here choose point like this and okay. You can see lofted cut has been generated. Now select front plane, go to sketch, Control 8 for normal, select here circle, draw a circle here, and the diameter of this circle must be 11.5. Okay. Now go to feature and here extruded cut, choose here mid plane, and the extrusion is up, should be 7.5. Okay. Here you can see cut has been generated. Now select this face, go to sketch, Control 8 for normal. Now choose circle and draw a circle here with the diameter 3. Okay, feature, now extruded cut, here select up to next. Okay. Now just select this face, go to sketch, Control 8, normal, Control 8, and here draw a circle for some holes, and the diameter of this circle should be 0.41, and distance from here to here must be 1, and distance from here must be 0.75. Now select here linear patterns, select axis, and here number of pattern, or select entities, flip the direction, and here 2 mm. You can see. Okay. Now draw a center line, make relation vertical, delete this relation. Now select these are all circles, and mirror entities about this, delete this, about this line. Okay. Go to feature and extruded cut, here select up to next. Okay. All holes has been generated. Now here choose fillet, and fillet is up to 0.5, and select this edge. Okay. Now hide these planes, this one and this one. our first part has been generated and we can give some color to it. Go to appearance, edit appearance, and here I'm gonna give it red color. Okay, save this. One first part, upper housing. Save.